You about the service of papers on the Secretary General on Friday in the Haiti Cholera suit. I emailed you on Friday, but still have yet to get an answer from you. What's your description of the lawyers and for the plaintiffs say that the Secretary General was served, received papers? Farhan Haq is quoted by some media as saying that he slapped them away or that his guard stepped in the way. What is the case? And also, what can you say? It's good that you're having Mr. Mladenov, but there's been a request, for example, of having Mr. Medrano briefing. How would you explain what seems to be a kind of an evasive approach to the Haiti cholera issue by the Secretary General?
You know, I don't think it's. I don't argue. I don't agree with your description of evasive. I think the legal position of the United Nations has been clear, has been offstated from this podium by myself and by Martin. So that position is clear and unchanged. The Secretary General was not served papers on Friday. That's also clear from anybody who was actually there. But in beyond the legal arguments, the United Nations work in Haiti in providing assistance to the victims of cholera, in taking measures, protective measures on how, for example, how we treat water in peacekeeping missions, and continues. Mr. Medrano's work continues. Unfortunately, that effort is underfunded. But we are continuing to work very closely with the Haitian government. As you know, there is a joint committee that was set up between the UN and Haiti to work on that issue, and that includes both long-term structural issues in Haiti having to do with sanitation, as well as more reactive measures such as the quick reaction teams that can be dispatched when there's an outbreak of cholera.
But in terms of accountability and kind of the rule of law, I guess my question is, it sounded from, I mean, I'm still waiting for a kind of a written answer of what happened to the email that I sent you, but
well, I mean, you could accept a verbal answer.
Okay, but then why was it provided in some cases and not in others? What I want to know is it just the description of a high official trying to avoid the handing of documents. If you have a legal position that you don't have to go to court, don't go to court. But it sounds, at least from the oral things I've seen that Farhan said, it feels very much like evasion. So that's what I'm wondering. How does the UN accept papers?
I don't think it's evasion. The Secretary General's and the organization's immunity is clear. It was granted to the organization by member states, and I think anybody here would agree that if someone approaches the Secretary General on the street without any prior warning, that his security detail wouldn't stop and talk to that person.
Does OLA accept papers? What I'm wondering is, I've heard from the plaintiffs in the other Haiti case that OLA would not accept a piece of paper even to go and make an argument that they're
I think
immune.
That the UN's position vis-a-vis the justice system here is clear. And that's where I'll stop.